Hello and welcome back to IT with Guyo. Today I want to show you guys how you can install your virtual Android phone on your Kali Linux system so that you can practice your hacking skills. So there are many tools or programs out there that you can use to install this virtual Android phone. But for me personally, I like Genymotion. So I can head over to my browser, then navigate to this site, https://genymotion.com/download. Then it will detect the system that you are using. For me, I'm using Kali Linux, which is based on Debian. So I can just go ahead and click on download. I've already downloaded it, but in your case, you can just go ahead and save the file, which will download it. It's right here. It's about 46 megabytes. After that, just head over, go to the terminal. Now we are going to install it. I can navigate to my downloads directory. Then you can do ls, and you'll see that we have the Genymotion here. Now we need to make it executable. Can just issue the command chmod +x followed by the program Genymotion Linux 64-bit. Enter. Now it will be executable. Now we can just go ahead and install it. You can do // Genymotion, then enter, and it will start the installation. Yes, it will try to find the VirtualBox toolset. Try to remove the all installation because I already installed it. Then to install the launcher icon, and then it tell you that the installation has been done successfully. Now we can use these tools from the opt directory Genymotion. Now I can go to my application, type Genymotion there. Now we are going to install the Genymotion Android. So you need to create an account. You can just, if you don't have an account, you can just go create an account. Okay, now what you can do, you can go ahead, open a new tab, navigate to this site, getnada.com, so that you can get a temporary email address to do the registration. Okay, now this is our temporary email. It's not wise to always give out your real email address. Just go ahead, click, you've copied it. Now paste it here. Okay, password, what I can do, okay, let me just put my password. Country Kenya, usage type, and do demonstration. Company type, let's do others. Okay, accept the privacy. You can also accept the terms and conditions. You can opt out of the latest news and updates. But if you want to get the latest news and updates, you can just go ahead and click on the icon. Now let's create the account. Okay, so our account has been created. We need to activate it. Head over to the temporary email, click on it here, and you will have the email from the Genymotion site. They tell you that your user account with the email address voter@tafmail.com has been created. Please follow the link below to activate the account. Just click here, and now the account has been created. Okay, so just take it. I used the email here. Let me just grab it, the email that I used. Go to my Genymotion, enter the email, Control V, then enter your password that you created with, then you can click next. Then so if you are using it for personal use, click on personal use. It won't ask for license. Click next. Now I have read and accept the user license agreement, then next, and that's it. So right now we are going to create a virtual Android phone. You can if the form factor, if you want to create a phone or a small tablet or a large tablet, Android API, the version of Android that you want to create, you have 4.4 up to 10. Then you can also click on density, the size, this is the resolution of the phone, and source. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this plus icon here to add my virtual device. So this will create a predetermined Android phone that is already predefined. I'll just show you here. If you click on it, it will show you the available devices that have already been customized. You have the Google Nexus 10. It's running on Android 4.4 KitKat. That's the resolution. That's the density. Okay, so for me, I'm going to install the, let's install the S5, Samsung Galaxy S5. So just click on it, then next. You can select any one that you want. You have Galaxy S7, Nexus S, Sony Xperia, we have Amazon. So for me today, I'm going to create the Samsung Galaxy S5, then click on next. Then so there are requirements here. If you want to reduce the memory size, by default it's 2 GB. The Android version, I'm going to set it to, let's say, 7.1. Show Android navigation bar. Okay. Then the network mode, I'll leave it as it is, NAT default. Then click on next. Install, sorry. And then Genymotion will go ahead and install the virtual Android machine on your system. Just give it some time. It will depend on your system and internet speed. So just let it install. We'll get back to you guys. So it will go ahead, create the device, and then just like that, the device has been installed. Our Samsung Galaxy S5 device running on Android 7.1. Now we can just go ahead and start it. Starting the virtual device. Okay. So this is our Samsung Galaxy S5 virtual Android phone that we can use to do our hacking attacks, penetration testing tasks in a legal and safe environment. So this is our machine here. Go ahead. You can go ahead and play around with it. If I go to the settings, okay. So we have the information here, our model, Samsung Galaxy S5, Android version 7.21, and the Android security patch level. So you can go ahead and practice whatever you want to do on this phone. You can install applications the same way you will install on a real phone. Okay, so you can even install WhatsApp, you can install your TikTok, or any other application that you would otherwise install on a real phone. That's it, guys. Thank you for taking this time to watch this video. Please remember to subscribe. More great content on the way. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you and God bless you.